Using a lean, cheaper cut of steak like top round steak, cut 3/4 of an inch thick, and marinating it results in a steak that is healthy and delicious and a quick weeknight meal. Add your dry sherry or Worcestershire or soy sauce to a zip-top bag, along with the green onions, the pepper, and your minced garlic. Then add the steak. My steak has marinated overnight. Heat a skillet to medium-high heat, then add about 3 tablespoons of butter to the skillet, and then the steaks. Reserving the marinade. While your steaks are cooking, add the cornstarch to about a cup of water, beef broth, or chicken broth, and then add this to the reserved marinade. Cook your steaks another 2 to 4 minutes depending on how you like your steak. Then remove them to a plate or platter and cover to keep them warm. Add more butter to the skillet and brown your mushrooms. Add the marinade to the skillet and allow it to come to a boil. This should only take 1 to 2 minutes. Now you can simply add your steaks back to the hot skillet and serve, or remove it to a serving platter. Thanks for watching, and please see my playlist for other ideas for quick and easy, healthy weeknight meals.